Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of programming with Python. What is Python? Python is a high-level, versatile, and easy-to-learn programming language. It's known for its readability and simplicity. One of the key reasons Python is so popular is its extensive library support. There is a library for almost anything you want to do. Python is used in a wide range of applications. You can use it for web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and even game development. The Python community is vast and supportive. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, you'll find resources, forums, and tutorials to help you. So, if you are thinking about getting into programming, Python is an excellent place to start. It's versatile, beginner-friendly, and has a thriving community. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more tech and programming content.